Welcome to Collectors Investment Promo. Dealers in coins, medals, and banknotes. Since 1959, we buy banknotes, coins, gold, and silver. All collectibles. Next month we will be in Sandton City at Nelson Mandela Square Antique Fair every first Sunday of every month. On the 2nd of June we will be in Sandton City. Don't miss out. This is what you can expect.
I am Savannah from Collectors Investments, and today this is my favorite piece. It is a paramilitary Lesotho dress sword from Wilkinson. Please come and have a look at it at the Nelson Mandela Antique Fair.
Heather Knight Antiques, and this is my very special piece that I have today at the Nelson Mandela Fair. He's 19th century, beautifully carved. He's Chinese, and he's one of the immortals, and it's the immortal that carries the badge, and that's indicative of longevity and immortality. And he's really quite magnificent. I'd love you to come and see him at Nelson Mandela Square.
For more info, give us WhatsApp on 079-784-0101, or you can call our office at 011-880-9116, or you can email us at info@collectorsinvestment.com. Thank you. See you on the 2nd of June.